Here all the babies come. Yeah.
Hi, everyone.
Ah, babies. Give them all food. They're all out there. Mama, should I just give them the rest?
I would put more down around the corner here. Because watch, you'll do that, and we'll walk around the corner, and think you'll be standing there. I just realized
Here we
that in the
have
back of the
Big
bag is a
Nose
big
Baby
bullseye.
already. He was the first to come out.
Anything we can.
Apple flavored corn.
Fat corn for the white throats.
He must have heard cat called Pinky when we were
Yeah.
there.
He was right here yesterday. This area.
Turn around, he's like, hey.
I gave you a lot too today.
Oh, look at him.
You gotta fluff up before the storm.
Well, we were wondering if anything happened to Mike. We haven't seen.